All right, let's go over homework 1.6, 2.1, number 3, right? So we have this rational function, right? Then graph is already given, right? Then we want to say, let's see, describe the intervals on which the function is continuous, right? If you have a rational function, it's continuous on its domain. So domain is all real numbers except for -2 and a +2. So we would probably put, let's see, go from negative infinity all the way to -2, right? Then you have union, and then you go from -2 all the way to +2, and the union, and then you have 2 all the way to +infinity, right? So that's that. And then next question, identify any discontinuities. Okay, discontinuity is at -2 and +2. So we type in -2 and +2. If the function has any discontinuities, identify the conditions of continuity that are not satisfied. Okay, so you can see that say discontinuity at the C where C is not defined. So that's that, because you have a vertical asymptote there, so it's not defined. There is a discontinuity at the C where the limit is not, so that applies too, because this doesn't, it's not even defined. Limit does not exist. That's right. And so those three applies, right? So let's double check. Submit for testing. Okay, came back. Actually, it looks like I made a mistake, but let's see. Got the first two correctly. All right, so maybe this is a little misunderstanding or how difference how we look at the question. Maybe, let's see, maybe I uncheck this one and I see what happens. Okay, it came back and it came back as a correct answer. So this is a little tricky because f of c is not defined, so this is also a problem. That's one way to look at it. That's how I initially looked at it. But since f of c is not defined, we already have that, and a limit does not exist, we already have that. So I guess they don't want to include the third one as the condition that's violated. But I would actually check this one as a correct answer. But either way, but the system takes it this way, right? I hope I clarify the confusion. All right, that's it.